Hi everyone. This week in your packet I put a nature walk checklist, and you can join me on my nature walk today. Now you may not find everything on the checklist, but I'm sure you'll find a lot of interesting things on your walk. I'm going to share some of my interesting things that I find with you today. This is a crab apple tree. I found some little flowers blooming on the tree. There are leaves and petals to the flowers, and most of them have opened up already or started to open up. This is an old pear tree in the yard. It also has blooms. The petals are kind of starting to fall off. You can see them all over the ground. It has petals, flowers, and leaves. And in the background I hear a squirrel. Do you ever eat pears? The fruit, a pear, grows on this kind of tree. I found some mushrooms. There are the mushrooms. And some moss on the tree. You look way up there, you can see the pine cones hanging from the tree. There are birds in that tree too, but you can't really see them because the pine needles are so thick. While on my nature walk, I decided to come see the little chickies. We have 12 chickens, and I wanted to see if they laid any eggs today. The eggs like you eat for breakfast. Inside here's the coop, and there's the nesting boxes. Can you count how many eggs they laid for today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The 12 chickens laid 8 eggs today. I found my goats, Marty and Murphy. Hey chickies. Hey chickies. This is the end of my nature walk for today. Feel free to send me pictures, have your mom, dad, and families take pictures with you while you're on your nature walk, and put them in the comments below this video so I can see them.